All right, so Sally buys two hats and three scarves, and the total cost is £28.50. And each hat costs £4.50. What will work out the cost of each scarf? So I'm going to call it hat H and scarf X, okay? So if she buys two scarf or two hats and three scarf, we know the total cost is £28.50, okay? And she buys each hat, okay? That means one hat costs £4.50. Work out the cost. Work out the cost of each scarf. Well, you can see already we got two equations. The first one and the second equation. So what I do think that we need to do first is we'll take the equation 2 and replace for h in the equation 1. Okay, so I would say replace h in equation 1 with h in equation 2. Okay, so when I do that, so this is going to give me 2 times £4.50 plus 3x equals £28.50. So if you multiply this, definitely you get 9 plus 3x equals £28.50. And of course, you know that if you try to simplify this, you do £28.50, take away 9, you'll get £19.5. And of course, definitely, if you continue, you'll get S as 19.5 divided by 3, you will get 6.5. So now we know the cost of each scarf. Each scarf definitely costs £6.50. Okay, that's it.